guess I'm back, and now I have a new addiction, so here's the Disney pin series you never asked for. Hey nerds, it's your nerd Nicole here, and recently with this lockdown and COVID and stuff, I have been obsessed with Disney pins. I did not know what a huge addiction Disney pins and Disney trading would be. And a lot of people, I think, in my opinion, don't know how huge this is. So let's go to Disney's Hollywood Studios and check out some of their pins and talk a little bit about pin trading.
Okay, a little bit about pin trading is that there are pins that are exclusive to pin trading. You can only get them by pin trading with a cast member. Due to COVID-19, these pin boards are behind counters and you do have to ask cast members to trade. Now you have your traditional pins that you see here. These pins you can buy by themselves and they are by category. Most of these are regulars, some come and go, so it's a really hit or miss if you like a pin, whether it's gonna stay or it's gonna go. Sometimes you will see some limited edition pins or some limited release pins among the rest of them, but it's not likely because they are kept separate. Don't you just love these Star Wars pins? They're so adorable. Alright, these limited edition and limited release pins are usually behind a case that you can see into. If you want to buy them, you have to ask the cash register and they will give you one at the register. These come and go quite often and they're usually part of a series. And sometimes they have some oldies. I have to say that I had to buy that Kim Possible one because it was childhood of mine and I just had to. Moving on to mystery packs. Now these mystery packs come from all shapes and sizes and you have little bags and big bags. The big bags will probably give you 5 mystery. These are blind, so you don't know which ones you're going to get, but you're going to get one of the designs that are shown in the back. The smaller bags that have Tinkerbell on them only give you 2, but they only bring 6 different designs. The boxes will bring 2 mystery pins also. This Star Wars limited release pin box set is not with the other ones because it is a blind box. I did get it and they are really big and they are also blind and they only bring 2. Now there are also pin bundles that you saw at the beginning of the video. They are just random pins that have a common theme. Those you can also find pin trading, which is why people love pin trading so much. Usually really popular ones like Star Galaxy's Edge, you won't be able to find pin trading, so I suggest you just grab those. Pins aren't the only limited edition or limited release items in the parks. Magic bands can also be limited release and limited edition, but I really didn't see anywhere where it said limited release or limited edition. This Pizza Planet band that I showed in the beginning was limited edition, but I couldn't find that anywhere on the Magic Band itself that it said that. So when you know, you know. And if you don't, you better buy it or else you won't get a chance to see it ever again. It's happened to me a couple of times. And I just had to show you the 3 new Starbucks mugs, the Been There series, and they had Tatooine, Endor, and Batuu. These mugs are beautiful and I just had to have all 3. A little tip, there is a pin trading board in the lobby of Tower of Terror. Now I hopped over up to Epcot and I just had to show you these cute phone cases. They were just too cute to pass up and I had to show you guys. This merchandise and pin store in Epcot really had everything. If you're looking for a specific pin don't waste your time going around an entire park. Just come to Epcot. They had all the mystery boxes, they had all the mystery bags, they had more options for mystery pins, pin bundles, and lanyards. Look at all those pin bundles. I have not seen so many pin bundles in one store, or lanyards. I was blown away at the selection they had at Epcot. So take my word for it, look at Epcot first. If you can't find it at Epcot, then ask a cast member. And last but not least, this is my pin board. You can see here the pins that I am collecting. Most of these are from mystery bags and mystery boxes, while others are just ones that I've collected over the years. My favorites, designs that I've liked, that I like to collect, all three. And of course, we have our limited edition, limited release ones that we absolutely had to have. If you're wondering, limited release means that they made a whole bunch of them, but that they have a set date where they're going to pull and retire those pins, while limited edition means they only made a set number. This A Bug's Life pin you can only get by pin trading, so I was lucky to have found it. I found this Donald was part of my collection. If you just saw the collection that I had, and I was missing Donald, and also this Gaston I was missing from my collection. Here you see that little Mickey. That's a hidden Mickey pin that you can also get only by trading.
Now that you guys saw all the pins, and you saw all the pins that I traded, let's talk a little bit about these mystery packs. So this one I actually found in Hollywood Studios, the main one where the Marvel and Star Wars store is off Main Street. I have never seen this one before, and honestly it was the last one. I grabbed it so quick. These are all the options you have for the pins. This one has 16 collectible, and there's 5 pins in this bag. So I'm super excited to open this one up with you guys. I also got a Marvel bag collection, also 5 pins. There are 14 designs, as you can see. I've seen this one around. They have plenty of them, so I thought it was time. I was like, you know what? I want one of these, at least see which ones I get. I really want Spider-Man. I really want Falcon, Black Panther, Rocket, Nebula. Those are my favorite. And then you have this. This one I found at Galaxy's Edge in Batu, and I only saw it at the open-aired shops that are right next to the line for the Resistance ride, Rise of the Resistance ride. And I didn't see it anywhere else. I didn't see it in the main shops off Main Street. I did not see it in Star Tours shop. I didn't see it in the regular shops inside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I only saw it there. And there's also, you see it says Resistance on it. I also saw an Imperial one. Let's show you all the options there. I also saw an Imperial one in the Imperial Depot that I didn't see anywhere else either. So if you want any of these, you're gonna have to go to those specific locations, because I did not see it in the dark room. I didn't see it at Epcot. So these are exclusive to those locations only if you want to get them. And then this mystery set is the Park Pals. I really wanted Cheshire Cat because I'm collecting Alice in Wonderland pins, so I always want the Cheshire Cat. And I got 2 of these. I don't know who that guy is. Apparently it's some really old character, and I looked it up. It doesn't even look like that, and I was kind of disappointed, so I had to get another one. Stitch looks super cute. Pascal looks super cute. Pooh, and of course Minnie and Mickey. I have Mickey and Simba so far, so I really want that Cheshire. All right, let's unbox these and see what I got. All right, first let's open this one. Oh, I want almost all of them. There's not one that I really don't want. They're all awesome. I did not open this enough. All right. I don't want to cut into any of them. All right. First one is... Oh, yes. L3. That looks so nice. Off to a good start. Off to a good start. Got L3. I got R2. Sweet. Cool. And don't know who this guy is, but that's okay. It's still a really nice pin for those Star Wars nerds that know every single robot by name. C1. C1 is so sassy. I love C1. Some of these pins come with defects, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Is that one? Okay. Is that the last one? Yeah. The last one is IG. Oh, that looks lit. That looks so nice. Love, love, love. I love that they're in black and white too. That's so nice. All right, next is going to be the Marvel ones. I really want, like I said, Nebula, Rocket, Black Panther, Spider-Man, and Falcon. Those are the ones I want. First one is... My husband's gonna love this one. Yes. He looks so funny. He's the funniest character ever. I love him. Nothing goes over my head. I would catch it. Oh, we got Gamora! Gamora's really nice with that hair. Alright. Don't peek this time. And Star-Lord. We got Star-Lord. Did we get all the... we got all the Galaxy ones. Rocket! Yay! We got Rocket. And last one. Oh, we got this guy. Thanos. No, not Thanos. This is that other dude. Oh, interesting. These have little nubbies. Do these have the same nubbies? No, these have the Mickey nubs. But these don't have Mickey nubs. Alright, we got this guy. Forgot this guy's name. This one is... I always forget his name. Drax. And this guy. I don't like this guy. This guy can go. Give away that guy, because it's not my thing. Alright, this one. This one I actually already opened in the parks, but you don't know that. So, obviously, Cheshire. Let's see what I got. I got lucky. I got Cheshire. And I got Pooh. What else is in here? There's another one in here. Oh yeah, because I got another mystery one, but it was in a bag. I got Flounder Balloon. This one's actually one of the mystery bags that I showed you guys in the video. This is Flounder. It's a Flounder balloon. They also had a Cheshire balloon, but I got Flounder, and I also got the Maybach's. Am I saying that right? Balloon, and I gave that to my husband because he really liked it. All right, now for the Resistance mystery set. Honestly, all of these are the squadrons, and then this is the Republic Navy Rescue. So you can't really go wrong. Gold Squadron, black, red, blue. This is Phoenix Squadron, Cobalt, and Rogue. Which one do you want? Let's go in here and see. Got Gold Squadron. Look at that baby. That is nice. Look at that. Gold Squadron's my favorite. Look how pretty. That's an awesome pin. And we got Black Squadron. Look at that. Just look at the 3D effect that is going on here. Just love it. Love it. I love the colors and everything. It's a very, very nice pin. Want to go back and get more. Very, very nice. Something else I want to show you guys is my exclusive Aliens pin. This is a limited edition Alien mystery box that came out. And if you have something that's limited edition, it will tell you on the back. Tell you where to find it. See, it says limited edition of 1,000. That means only 1,000 of these were made. That makes your pin rare. And then it has their number, so you can look up. So if you ever wonder, I wonder if you're trading pins and you wonder, oh, let me see. If you see that, it's rare. So thank you guys for watching my unboxing. Thanks for watching my Disney pin video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload more videos, which I will upload more videos soon. Don't come at me. We went through a global pandemic. I bought a house, adopted a cat, planted like 5 million tomato plants, went into a spiraling depression, came out of a spiraling depression, and now I'm here. So cut a girl a break. Plus I've been making masks, so don't even come at me. Anyways, see you next time. Bye!